welcome back to my channel. So today is just going to be a quick tutorial of how I install my wigs. So this is me, first waking up, scarf still on or whatever. Shout out to my friend Meg for this braid down. You to go. Yes, they did hurt. I'm just tender-headed, but whatever. So the first thing I do is I take my cap, and I just take this brown cap and I put it on my head. I just pull it down first to just get it on there real tight, and then you're gonna see how I just take it, move it behind my ears so that my ears can be exposed, and also I'm gonna move the cap back to my hairline. Right here I'm grabbing my wig, and you're just gonna grab any wig that you have to install on your head. Mine's is just a lace closure wig, so I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start using the band part. Excuse me, my ears reaching, guys. But right here you're just gonna take the band and put it behind your head, and so you can get ready to lift the wig up. After I've gotten the band on how I want it, I'm just gonna flip the wig back, and this right here, of course, you're just gonna make sure that all of the sides and the back is covering your whole head. Here I'm just showing you like the cap and the band or whatever, but you're just gonna take the wig, adjust it the way that you want, and make sure everything is snug around your head. Now in this wig right here, I don't have any clips, but I will be installing clips once I install this wig on someone's head. But of course, I'm just going through showing you guys the wig and how it looks once it's installed first.
So you can really take a couple hairs like this and just twist. See? Don't ever just your hair. So you might want to take this one more. But you can just finesse it as much or as little as you want. But I don't really do all of this. So you just take a couple. Take some more gel.
Once you're done molding your baby hairs, this is what your hairline should look like. Just something simple and cute, and you could get ready to start laying your edges. Here, as you can see, I'm just taking my scarf so I could just lay my edges and also lay the lace. And this is just gonna make everything good and set, so I can finish styling the rest of my hair after this is done. After I have laid my edges, I'm going to just spray the hair with water, and make sure it's all getting there thoroughly, because this hair is very thick but it's very tameable. Only thing you need is water. So I'm just going to go through the hair and just spray it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of the hair when one side is sprayed and one side is just in its dry natural state. I'm going to do the same thing I did to the first side to the next side. Now that everything is evenly applied on this hair, this is what it should look like. Look how pretty this hair is. This is when the hair is kind of starting to, dry, but it is so pretty, man. Y'all see this closure, part it however you want. Sis is gonna be there,
it's so pretty. Like, so simple and easy to take care of.
I'm going to take my scarf off, fluff my hair out just a little bit, and let y'all see. The last thing I do is just put a piece behind my ear, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.